How to create a very easy eye look and using minimal products. If you want to learn how to do it, then keep on watching. So I got this little mini Urban Decay eye primer potion. It's really the best. I love it. So the way, you just need to subscribe, to follow me on all my social media, comment, and whoever's gonna do it kind of like the fastest, really get to it, I'm gonna send them the eye primer potion. But it is only for the US, so only for the US for now. Eye primer, the Charlotte Tilbury pencil, and mascara. That's it. Because a lot of times people don't know that actually using the eye primer can be your eyeshadow. It's your primer, but also just like all in one type of deal. So we're gonna scoot a little closer for the eyes so you can really see how I do it. And since this is my eye potion, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on. And you can use the, but I just use the fingers. And look how I do it. I don't tag anything. It's literally just a ring finger, and you just gently pat it. This look is and the way I do it, I actually like to kind of go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, for the reason that it has some dandruff and your brows need to wake up, and just like, and then after you just go back and forth, you really go up, because you want your eyes to really pull up. Just go up, 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 up. I just gently brush it through. I'm not trying to make them perfect. I'm not trying to make them anything. I'm just going through it. Do you see how it just gave me a little bit of color? So I'm not trying to make them perfect at all. Just kind of like keep on and brushing it and just make it more natural. So the eye pencil does not have to be perfect. It just have to be newly sharpened, because we're not trying to make a perfect line. We're just trying to put, see where the iris starts and this is ends. So we're gonna go from this corner till this, and that's it. That's it. We're not trying to do anything else. And you're gonna look down, a little bit down, and just get as close to your eyes as possible. See it? See, like that? And you can get the brush. You can get the Q-tip. You can even use your finger, because back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Just super, super simple. Just nothing to it. Do you see it? Do you see how it's like compared to this and this? And you can add for more intensity if you want, but mostly in the middle. Just mostly in the middle. And whatever else you have, you can actually just add a little corner. Kind of make it, and just really, just do your magic. Do your magic the way how you apply your mascara. Just like that. Like, do you see how everything now, like the eyes, the brows, it's very simple look, but it's so effective. You can add more pencil if you want. Sometimes I just like to add right in the, like, in the end, in the corner. See it? Just like that. Kind of like the simple, cat eye. Especially if you have a hooded eyes, If you have a hooded eyes, and you always want to make sure it goes through the lower lash. Just like that. Do you see it? Do you see how it just add it through? Right? I think you could never have too much mascara. Just one of those things. And now you just add the mask. You always want to go right with this. So do you see how your eyes are really stand out, and you can pretty much say what you want to say with your eyes. Simple and super pretty. I have a giveaway for this little eyeshadow primer. So what you need to subscribe, like, comment, go throughout my social media. I have a Facebook, I have a Instagram, and even Pinterest. And just go like it, follow it, send it to me, and whoever's gonna do all of this, the first, I'm gonna send you this primer, but it's only in US. So I really hope you liked it, and how to create easy eye look with only a few products, literally 3 products that I used. And I will guys see you next time.